Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Weverse account. So Weverse is a global fandom platform for all kinds of fan experience. So if you want to create the Weverse account, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Weverse application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here the Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for join or login. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login or sign up interface. From here you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. You can either sign up with your email, X, Google or Apple. So simply tap on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to provide my email address. So tap on the field of email and enter your email over here. After you enter the email, tap on the option continue with this email. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option sign up now. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 to 32 characters, 1 or more letters, 1 or more numbers, 1 or more symbols. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, confirm the password. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your nickname. You can see over here a name will be written by default. If you want to change it, simply tap on the field of nickname. Now you'll be able to enter the nickname for yourself. Here I'm just going to continue with this nickname. So tap on the option next. Now you'll have to consent to terms of use agreement. Simply check on this option. I agree to the terms of use. Now tap on the option next. Now tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your email. A verification email has been sent. What you have to do is open Gmail. You can see over here the Gmail has been opened. Weverse has sent me the email, so simply tap on that email. Now in this email you'll be able to find the option for verify email. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your email has been verified. Now you can simply go to the Weverse application. Now you'll have to log into your account. So simply enter your email address. Tap on the option continue with this email. Now enter your password. Now tap on the login option. Now you can see over here your Weverse account has been created. So that is how you create Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.